Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.